Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the biggest Ford F-Series truck we sell. This is the F-650 upfitted with the dump truck bed. This thing is an absolute monster. I'll be completely honest, it's a little frightening driving it. Just making sure those are still on. We are good. The fact that you are mounted on my head and it goes up to there is, yeah, that's kind of letting you know the caliber of vehicle we're working with here. This is fitted with the 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel. And it is a monster. Yeah, 700 foot-pounds of torque. That's crazy. Man. So yeah, let's climb on it. So I'm even with the seats. So this has air seats. That's crazy. Go, and we are in. This also has power takeoff, PTO. You flip that switch, the engine idles up, and you can use the dump bed without worry. Sorry, that probably blew out your ears. Air parking brake, which is right there. You just pull to apply. It does have a park gear, so it will sit just fine in park. But that's almost just kind of a separate safety precaution. Seatbelt's just like a normal truck though. That's pretty normal. So this has air brakes, as you can tell by this, your trailer supply, stuff like that. This is a gigantic steering wheel, to be completely honest. You have your normal horn, and of course, the big horn. So they should call this the big horn. But yeah, without further ado, let me actually put it in drive, and let's go for a drive. On the road, it's quite massive. I'll be completely honest here. It's very, very big. That's the exhaust brake that I had turned on. I'm at the level of semi-trucks right now. That's crazy. Air brakes are something to definitely get used to. It requires a good amount of pedal pressure, and if you put a little bit too much, you'll actually lock up the wheels, which something I'm starting to get used to now. That rattling is my water. I'll be completely honest though, it's actually pretty comfortable to drive, especially with this air seat. That's it definitely helps. You put more pressure into it, and it kind of moves with you on bumps and makes it a lot more enjoyable. You have some auxiliary switches, so you don't have to drill into the dash. Mirrors are gigantic, but you can actually see a good ways behind you, which is great for, you know, something the size of New Mexico. Visor slides. This 6-speed is actually really good. Obviously it's meant for heavy duty type jobs. The interior is based off of previous generation Super Duties, F-250s, F-350s. So if it looks familiar, that's why. Much like the Silverado 6500 is. Now I have to try out the Ram 5500 to kind of complete the lineup. So I'll go through some questions you might be asking. Is it difficult to drive? Actually, I was very, very terrified at first to drive it. It's actually really, really easy to drive. A lot more so than I thought. You're sat really up high. Like I said before, you're on the same height as semi-trucks. So you're sat up high. You can see perfectly fine. So it's actually not that difficult to drive at all. The only part that took some getting used to is what you can hear going on right now, and that's the air brakes. It's unlike anything else I've ever driven. I mean, they still function as normal brakes, but it takes a minute or two to adjust to how to operate the pedal. And you can't just keep modulating the brake, because if you run out of air pressure, you don't have brakes. And the truck won't let you do that. Once it gets to a certain PSI, it applies the emergency brake to make sure you're not going to roll away, and if there's a leak in the system, it's not going to let the truck run away from itself. Keeping it in the lane is actually a lot easier than I thought. Not gonna lie, you're very, very close to the curb and the lane marker, but it's manageable. I mean, these are probably some of the tiniest lanes you'll see, except for like New York City and stuff like that. So this is a very good representation of what it would be like to drive in a city. Because we're here in Quincy. What's nice about this up high seating position is the view is spectacular. Of the ocean and of everything around you. It is beautiful. I definitely like air seats now, especially in trucks like this, because over the bigger bumps, it cushions you so well. But you do have your air pressure gauge down below, which when it brakes are released and stuff like that, the air pressure adjusts accordingly. But this thing is a beast. It is an absolute animal of a truck. When I drove the Raptor this morning, I thought that would be the widest truck I'd drive today. Then I found this. This is the widest truck, biggest truck, craziest thing I've ever driven. This makes a semi-truck feel like an F-250. But so I can concentrate on bringing this thing back unscathed. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.